This is Tony with Restoration of Dickinson. We want to give you guys some helpful information for being prepared and preventing water damages in your home. As a homeowner, we know that our insurance premiums are not getting any cheaper. Did you know that the average water damage mitigation without repairs is $6,000 to $8,000? Tack on repairs, you could be closer to $25,000, and our deductibles are not getting any cheaper either, right? So being proactive in prevention is key to prevent damages and having to incur these costly expenses. Not to mention, if you file a claim, your premiums are going to jump up in addition to that. So what do we mean by prevention? A lot of it's just being knowledgeable of simple maintenance of your home. Maintaining your AC condensate drain lines, keeping everything cleaned out, flushed out would be a good prevention tool. We talk about in other videos about changing out supply lines every 5 years and using high-grade plumbing components, and if you have cheap plastic faucets with cheap plastic fittings, getting them changed out to maybe a quality Moen or American Standard that has quality metal parts, right? Your actual water heater should actually be cycled out and changed out every 9 years. 10 years is when we see them rupture. From time to time, draining your water heaters in such a way that all the sediment that causes rust and deterioration into the internal components are getting flushed out as well. Doing that regularly, maybe yearly. Would also encourage making sure that your windows are properly sealed. As we are in Texas, there's a lot of sun damage and things like that that can cause our caulk and paint to crack. Maintaining your roof, having it checked every so often, cleaning out your gutters, cleaning out your flower beds to prevent water intrusion back into your home is a good idea. After any type of major wind event, we have a lot of flash flood storms that come in on a regular basis. Keep an eye if you have any missing shingles or siding, also very ideal. I hope you found this informative. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please like and subscribe to our page. Remember that we're here for your emergency needs. RainbowRestores.com/Dickinson. You can also reach us at 832-226-5656 if you're experiencing some issues or you just need some information. Please reach out. We're here for you guys. Call us for your emergency needs.